Hi everybody, Teacher Vicki here, standing beside my beautiful blackberry bush. Can you see? What can you see? What color? I see red blackberries. Uh-oh, somebody's coming to take my blackberry. Oh, goodness. Well, here's another one. So we're gonna help pick off the blackberries from Vicky's bush, and we're gonna make some treats with it today. So let's see. Pick off these ones.
How do you know when to pick them off?
You know when to pick them off, Chad? When they've turned a beautiful black color like this. That's when your blackberries are ready to pick. But be careful, you may get all sticky. So I think blackberries are a little bit sour, so I pick them, I bake them, and I make a jam. Welcome back again, my friends. So Vicky's picked her beautiful blackberries. And who can tell Vicky what color? Did you say a red color or a purple color? Yes. Isn't it beautiful? Jelly, jelly. So this is what we're going to use to make blackberry jam shortbread bars today. So first I'm going to start with the butter. And we need 1.5 cups of butter.
Hey kids, it's me, the farmer.
Brown sugar. And I need 3/4 cup of brown sugar. So first we're going to measure out 1/4 cup of brown sugar. 1, 2, 3, and now sugar. White sugar. Now we need 3/4 cup of white sugar too. 1, 2, 3/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon. And I need 2. So here's my 1, and let's measure out 2. Count with me. 1 and 2. Now it's time to mix up our butter and make it nice and creamy. For that I use a mixer. And then I put the sugar in, the brown sugar, the white sugar, and we mix it till it's nice and smooth. Next we put the vanilla in. Now that gets mixed up. Now that's been mixed in. So that is butter, sugar, and vanilla extract. Now we're going to leave that on the side, and we're going to mix the dry ingredients. We need 3 cups of flour. 3. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to use my green cup, and we're going to measure out 1 cup of flour. Put it in the sieve. Give it a shake, shake, shake. 2 cups of flour. Put it in the sieve and shake, shake, shake. 3 cups of flour. Put it in the cup and shake, shake, shake. Now before we forget, let's put in the salt. And we need 3/4 teaspoon of salt. 1, 2, 3. Add it to the flour and give it a shake, shake, shake. While we wait, we can grease our baking dish. So take a little butter, grease it, and I like to put in some parchment paper. Here we go. so that we can lift it straight out of the dish and it doesn't stick. Now you're going to take your dough and put it onto some saran wrap or cling film. Roll it in a ball, and then we're going to cut it in half. One half goes in the fridge. One half is going to be your shortbread base. Now, this half we're going to squish, 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 and pat, pat, pat all the way down. And hopefully that's not too thick in places and too thin in other places. What I'm going to do is take a fork and just poke a few holes so that it doesn't bubble up.
Two were sick and the other most dead. Sent for the doctor and the doctor said, feed those children on shortbread bread.
Now we're going to pop this back in the oven for 30 minutes.
Mama's little baby loves shortening bread. Mama's little baby loves shortening. Mama's little baby loves shortening.